Okay guys, let me just use this 3-minute video to explain the progress of this work. And in this work we are going to learn something very, very important, which is dampness, how to prevent dampness right from our footings. Yes, right from our footings. So in our trenches, first I laid the DPC rubber first, which is very important before casting my blinds. So in my blinds, I added an anti-salt chemicals together with a waterproof chemical to form our concrete, then our blinds as well. I'm not going to mention any product name here or advertise for any company here, but at the end of the day I made sure that my blinds concrete were very, 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 very rich. So whilst I was laying as well, I decided to add a waterproof chemical in my mortar. Then I use it to lay my blocks. So fast forward, this is where we are now, and we've laid our DPC rubber on it. We've done our iron works, we've done our plumbing works, and we are waiting for the flow, that's to cast our footings. Yeah, so we are getting ready to start with our footing. The carpenters are also doing their boarding, and the steel benders are also ready to start work. So the guys are ready now. Yeah, some need to fill the stomach with something first before we can do this work. You know, casting is not an easy work, so you need to make sure that you really prepare and make provision for food for my staffs so that we can do a very good work. Yeah, so fast forward, the casting was started and it was done nicely. That's what you can see in the video. Yeah, so we are done with it. But the most important thing here is this product or this material. Have you seen it before? It is called a DPC. And this DPC serves as a barrier for the moisture to rise right from the footings, only if your footing fills you. So it will serve as a barrier for the moisture to rise into your superstructure in the future. That is what is going to cause dampness. So this is the material, and most of the time you get it at 10 meters long. Yeah, and this is how I used it. So before doing my block settings, I applied the mortar first. I laid it on the mortar, then I covered it with the mortar before laying the blocks. This is very, very important. So it's better for you to treat dampness now before it exposes you or before you spend much money to solve it. It is very, very, very critical, guys, here. So if you need this DPC material, just call the numbers on the screen below and I'm going to supply you right after this video. So just call me so that we talk about it. If you have any project and you want us to also undertake it or solve dampness for you as well, call us.